Now we're going to turn to the COVID-19 situation around the world. Some countries are seeing figures soar to record daily highs yet again. However, a rosier picture in others, some of which are considering lifting antivirus measures. Rae-hyun tells us more.
Record high daily COVID-19 case numbers are again being reported in some parts of the world, like in Germany, where there were almost 300,000 infections on Thursday local time. In response, lawmakers in the country are discussing a possible COVID-19 vaccine mandate for people over 18 that could be enforced from October. A final decision on the initial proposal is expected in 3 weeks. Some parts of China are also struggling with COVID-19 infections. China's northeast Jilin province saw the highest number of cases compared to other regions in the country. Liaoning province, which is close to Jilin, is also seeing a rapid increase of infections. The number of cases had remained in single digits up to last Sunday, but figures passed 150 on Thursday. With this rapid spread, the province is shutting down public facilities where infections have been found and closed all elementary and middle schools. China's eastern city of Wenzhou advised its citizens last week to not purchase imported goods from countries with high COVID-19 cases such as South Korea. An official said people who bought imported goods should monitor their health conditions regularly and get PCR tests, while designated clothes from South Korea as among items people should be cautious of. Meanwhile, the southeastern city of Shenzhen is lifting some of its lockdown policies on Friday. Areas that reported 0 COVID-19 cases will have restrictions lifted, with government offices and private businesses reopening. There have been economic concern due to Shenzhen's lockdown, as the city is known as the China's Silicon Valley, with major IT companies located there. The restrictions have been put in place on Monday as the highly transmissible Omicron variant swept the city. Turning to South America, the president of Brazil said on Thursday that he will downgrade the status of COVID-19 from pandemic to endemic later this month, meaning mask wearing will no longer be mandatory at indoor facilities in the country. Following the statement, scientists criticized the decision, calling it a huge mistake as COVID-19 infections continue in the country. They added the vaccination rate is not high enough to consider COVID-19 as endemic. Rae-hyun, Arirang News.